Hey, it's Mrs. G, and today I have my sister helping me to extract some DNA from an onion. Let's do it. To follow along at home, you will need a blender, a food processor, a bowl, toothpick, clear dish soap, salt, water, strainer, coffee filter, meat tenderizer, rubbing alcohol, an onion, and a flashlight. To begin, dissolve about a teaspoon of salt into a quarter cup of warm water. Then, cut up the onion into chunks and blend the salt water and onion pieces together for about 20 seconds. It should look like this when you're done. Combine this mixture with a quarter cup of soap for several minutes. What's happening here is the soap is dissolving the fats that make up the cell membrane surrounding the onion cell. So the cytoplasm and organelles, having nothing to keep them inside their own cells anymore, are going to spill out into the container. Next, you want to strain out any large pieces from your mixture. So put your coffee filter into your strainer over a glass or cup. Then pour the mixture over the coffee filter and wait for about a tablespoon of liquid to strain out. This took about 15 minutes for us, but we found it went a little faster when we gently shook the strainer. Then put about a quarter teaspoon of meat tenderizer into the strained liquid and mix together well. Meat tenderizer has very strong enzymes that break down proteins. That's how it makes meat tender, by helping to break down the tough parts. So now it's breaking down the protein coating covering our onion's DNA. Finally, add about twice as much rubbing alcohol to the mixture as the original liquid, mix it up, and wait a couple of minutes. If you shine your flashlight into the glass, you should start to see some white strands floating around. Those are the onion's DNA. You can even try to use a toothpick to gather some and see them up close with a magnifying glass if you want to. Thank you so much for watching. If you have questions about this video, or if you're interested in private tutoring in math or science over video or in person in the Kansas City area, please reach out to me via the email that will be on the screen. If this video was helpful, I would really appreciate you subscribing to my channel. Have a great day.